action. Good day, students. I am tutor ABC. I am reporting from Mmuta, and on the board we have mathematics. We are still on equivalence of surds, and we want to resolve it. We want to resolve the questions under here. We have it that 150 plus 20 root 8 is equivalent to 5x plus y root z, and we are told to find x plus y minus z, or z. Okay, and then the second part says root 11 is equivalent to a plus b root 11. Find a, this should be a times b. Okay, so we are told to resolve a times b. How do you resolve that? If you can solve, go ahead and solve. Or if you cannot, then you are in the right place. So let's continue. We are going to rewrite our question. We can start from here. We say 5x plus y root of z is equivalent to 150 plus 20 root 8. So from this point, we can further break it down, and then we are going to have 5x plus y root z is equivalent to 150 plus this root 8 is actually 2 root 2. So 20 times 2 root 2 is going to give us 40 root 2. We are now going to have it that 5x is equal to 150 because it is standing alone, and 150 here is standing alone. So from here now, y root z is same as 40 root 2. So what does that tell us? It is telling us that 5x is equal to 150, and because y is in front of root and 40 is in front of root, that means y is equal to 40. And then because z is under square root and 2 is under square root, that means z is equal to 2. So from this point now, by normal, what we did in linear equations, if you divide both sides by 5, we are going to get it that x is equal to 30. Therefore, over 5 over 5, it is going to give us that x is equal to 30. And of course, our z is equal to 2. So we are told to evaluate x plus y minus z. So we are going to have 30 plus y is 40 minus z. Minus z from here is 2. So we have this. Now 30 plus 40 is going to give us 70. 70 minus 2 is going to give us 68. So the answer to this is 68. And then in this case, we have root 11 is equivalent to a plus b root 11. We are told to find or evaluate a times b. You know there is a problem because this is not complete, whereas this is complete. Or rather say that this is not our compound, but this one is compound. What does that tell you? It is telling you that the integer part of this, or the one that is not, or let us call it a rational part of it, is 0. Because 0 is equally a rational number. Therefore, you can say that a plus b root 11 is equivalent to 0 plus root of 11. To make it complete, that means that a is equal to 0. B, of course, is something in front of root 11. And we know that y is in front of root 11. That means a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So we are told to evaluate a times b. We are simply doing a times b. You say therefore a times b is same as 0 times 1, which is 0. So our answer to the second question is 0. Thank you and God bless.